Hi everybody, this is Melanie. I know you guys are probably saying, finally she did a video on time. There's a lot to talk about. Um, I know last week I mentioned that me and hubby had been starting birthing classes, and we did, and I loved it. It was really fun. And actually, today's the day that we're supposed to be going back for class number 2, but we're going to sit this one out and pick back up next week. I'll get straight to symptoms and things like that. As far as the gestational diabetes, come on, my little dog is trying to be seen. Anyway, as far as gestational diabetes is going, my sugar has been doing fine. Uh, I have had some higher than the norm values with checking my sugar, but it's not been too much above what's normal. Um, and it worried me for a little bit because for a short while, um, the values were, she left me, the values were over, 120. So, not very many, but some of them were, and it was consistent. So, I was worried that they were going to want to put me on insulin. But I did not mention last week that I was supposed to have an ultrasound today, which is Tuesday. I just forgot my symptoms really quick because it's not a lot. Being exhausted, the same things I've been talking about. I've been really tired. I'm tired right now. Um, let's see. Being exhausted, pressure, I guess, with pressure, and pain around my pelvic area. Um, trying to figure out what that noise is. Um, Pressure in my pelvic area. Kind of feels like her head is on my pubic bone sometimes. Headaches here and there. I've been having a little bit of headaches. I'll wake up with one, or you have to excuse me, pollen will get to me. I've woken up with a couple of headaches. Not bad, but noticeable. Nausea has been coming and going, like it had been before. Extreme nausea, so that's that. Okay, I think that's it. Uh, so yeah, I'm gonna get to the ultrasound today. It's been a long day. I've had a lot on my mind, so I'm gonna get to it. So today we go in for the ultrasound. I am 31 weeks and 1 day today. The ultrasound itself went well. Baby girl's in there growing away. She's getting big. She was kicking and showing off today. She still wouldn't show her face. We still haven't seen her face yet. Um, but she's doing well. She's growing. She's thickening up. Uh, she's very active still, very active. But at the end of the ultrasound, the tech decided that she was gonna look at my placenta, look at my cervix, and um, yeah. So when she looked at my cervix, she asked me. It was just in general, like she was asking the rest of the questions. Had anybody been checking my cervix? And I told her no. I didn't think that I was at the point yet where they wanted to start checking my cervix to make sure that I wasn't dilating or anything. So she left out the room and she sent the doctor back to talk to me. And the doctor came in and told me that he was concerned about the length of my cervix. So, as far as what I understand, your cervix is supposed to be somewhere between 2.5 centimeters to 3 centimeters. Mine was slightly less than one. So, obviously, I am not dilating. My cervix is facing. So, they're going to check me on Thursday to make sure I'm not dilating as well. Tomorrow morning, I'm supposed to go in to get my first injection of steroids to help the baby's lungs like speed and develop as much as possible. And I have to go Thursday to get my second one. So they're very concerned at this point about me being basically 60% affected. It's scary. So, but I, I'm holding on that she's gonna stay in there for a little while longer. So, they want me to take it easy and not do anything strenuous, which I won't. I'm also having to take prometrium vaginally. I don't know how long I'm supposed to be doing that yet. I would assume if I make it to 37 weeks, then to 37 weeks, which is a little less than 7 weeks away. I mean, 6 weeks away. 6 weeks? Yeah. So, that's what's going on. We're in a struggle to keep baby in now because she wants to be a patient like her mom. So, that's what's going on. It's, it's a lot, but not a lot to make a long video, but it's plenty of information. My husband just went outside to work out for a little while, I guess to get his mind off of it, but the reason why we're not going to the second day of the birthing class today is because I don't know what the doctor wants me to or not to do now. So I'm just going to wait this week out until after I speak to the doctor. So I'm sure everything is going fine. I'm sure they're going to keep up with the NSTs twice a week like they said they were going to do. But I'm probably going to get my cervix monitored now from here on out. So, yeah, that's what's happening. Baby girl wants to come out sooner than what she's supposed to, so we got to keep her in there. So, as you can see, I'm in the nursery today. It's still not together yet. Everything is in here, and it's not a mess, but it's not put together yet because, you know, we didn't think we needed to rush quite yet. Ouch, Gracie. What is it? She's trying to hold on and not get on the floor, but you're hurting my arm. You gotta get down. So, give you a little peek. Hubby took all the stuff that was on the edge of the floor. Get the camera straight, okay. And put it inside the crib. So, stuff from our baby shower is inside the crib right now. We're trying to figure out what we're going to do with this little plant. But, yeah, these are some of her clothes that we've washed, and her diapers and things like that. And on this side is her bassinet, which is behind me, and her swing. And on the floor is her car seat and her stroller right there. And there is her bouncer. Now, the majority of the stuff that we have was given to us by family and friends. So we are very blessed to not have had to spend all this money on stuff for baby girl. We bought quite a bit of clothes for her, but you know, right now we have everything washed that we actually probably gonna need. But I am gonna wash her 0 to 3 month stuff. I'm hoping I don't have to go buy any preemie clothes. I don't. I'm hoping she stays in. I want her to stay in. I want her to be healthy when she comes out, and so that I can bring her home. So that's what we're dealing with. So I didn't think this video was actually going to be this long. So I'll go ahead and end it now, but I'll do a quick belly shot, and that'll be all. And belly from this side. 31 weeks and 1 day. She's getting big. So I guess I will see you all um, next week, or no, it'll probably be the end of this week. I don't have a lot going on. Hubby not let me do much, so I'm probably gonna end up putting myself on a partial bed rest or so. So I guess I will talk to y'all. I might be flooding your feed with videos. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.